Hello to everyone. I am Satyam Mishra and today we are going to discuss upon the topic entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a buzzword, a boom word that travels around in and here in present times. You must have heard this word and somebody also wants to be an entrepreneur and he thinks himself of an entrepreneur. So basically today we are going to discuss about know-how of entrepreneurship, how it basically works and what is the basic terms related to it and what it actually do to our society. Okay, so first of all we want to discuss what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship's basic fundamental definition is entrepreneurship is the process of creating, defining, designing and running your own business. Running your own business takes a lot. You create a business and it it doesn't it isn't easy to create a business and run it. So entrepreneurship is designing, and running your business. Designing, launching and running your business. Okay, these three terms. What is designing? Designing means how you create the layout of the business, the layout of your business. Launching means you launch it to the market. You launch it to the market. And running means after launching, many startups fails. Why? Because they don't know how to run it along the competition of the market. So we have also to sustain it. We also have to sustain it. It shouldn't be a one night business, You open a stall and it gets shut. That's not it. So creating a new business involves five steps. The first step is market research. When you do market research about your product you want to launch. Product you want to launch in what market? In what type of market? If I want to launch a woolen cloth in the in the cloth market, I have to study the cloth market, how its trends are going and how it's working. Then I need to do financial planning. Financial planning is the most important part. You need to set the finances of different departments of your company. And the third we want to do is hiring the human resource, HR. We have to hire the HR according to your business need. And the last one is risk aversion. How do you manage your risks? How do you tackle your risks? In woolen clothing, there are risks like in summer, your clothes will not be purchased by anyone. So for obvious reasons, it won't be. So that's how and when you manage the risks involved in it. Now we are going to see an example of entrepreneurship in current life. In current life, you must have heard the word Oyo rooms. Some of you must have gone to it also. So Oyo rooms basically is a startup owned by Indian whose mind is brilliant. At the age of 21, he's just opened and startup that big in India. So that's the example of entrepreneurship, Oyo rooms. And lastly, we will discuss why it is important to study entrepreneurship. It doesn't do anything to us. Why it is important? It is important because it creates it helps in wealth creation of wealth. Investors invest in you, the wealth circulates in the market and it helps in wealth creation. Second, it adds to national income. It adds to national income in the way that every person is employed now. If you have startups everywhere in the country, every person would be employed, and it will be generating. It will be an asset to the country. Okay, it creates regional development. Regional development means when a startup opens in a place in a remote area, so that in that area, when it opens, we have the road linkage, we get the gas, we get the electricity connection, we get the water connection. So it grooms that region. That's regional development for you. It helps giving back to society. How it helps giving back to society? When you have money, you can help each other. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.